me my kid is trapped! Jack. Oh, God. Who are you? Spider-Man. That's the guy who saved my boy on the bridge.
Bro, they're clearing us out. Something bad's going down in Midtown.
Hey, you still friends with Matthews, that crane operator down to 6th Avenue?
Yeah.
Get him on the phone for me. Hey, Charlie, give me Enriquez from 54th Street. Angelo, get your mug over here.
All tower cranes on 6th. Your squib arms over the avenue. Boom angles at 90 degrees. Spider-Man needs those pick points high and lined up. Let's give him a clear approach, over.